In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DKIM record in GoDaddy DNS. If your mail host has given you a DKIM selector name and a TXT value, this process is usually very quick, but it's important to enter everything exactly as provided. DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, helps verify that emails sent from your domain are legitimate. Setting it up correctly can improve deliverability and help prevent messages from being marked as spam. To begin, copy the DKIM selector name and the record value provided by your email hosting service. Be careful when copying these details, because even a small typo, missing character, or extra space can cause the record to fail. It's a good idea to keep the mail host's setup page open in another tab so you can easily refer back to it if needed. Next, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. From there, select the domain you want to configure, then go into the DNS settings. Once you're on the DNS management page, look for the option to add a new record. When adding the record, choose the record type your mail host instructs you to use. In many cases, this will be a TXT record, but some providers may ask you to use a CNAME record instead. The key here is to follow your mail host's instructions exactly, because the correct type depends on how that provider handles DKIM authentication. After selecting the record type, enter the selector name into the appropriate field, usually labeled host or name. Then paste the value from your mail host into the value or points to field, depending on whether you're creating a TXT record or a CNAME record. Double check both fields before saving. This is especially important with DKIM because these values often contain long strings that are easy to misread. Once everything looks correct, save the new record. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect immediately. In some cases, the update appears within minutes, but it can also take longer depending on DNS propagation. If your mail provider offers a verification tool, you can return to their dashboard after saving the record and confirm whether the DKIM entry has been detected. If it doesn't verify right away, wait a little while and check again. That's it. As long as you copied the selector and value correctly, selected the right record type, and saved the changes in GoDaddy DNS, your DKIM setup should be on the right track.